Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 18th, and this is my analysis for the Euro US dollar, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So, on the Euro dollar, we still never did break that structure to the upside. There is always a chance that this continues to make lower highs the whole way down, and then we get another lower high here, and it goes all the way back down. The trend is definitely your friend, and the trend is definitely still down on the daily. Even though we've been spending the last couple of weeks going up, it definitely hasn't changed any trend yet. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, technically it hasn't really broken structure to the downside yet. You can't really say that we are back into the downtrend with confidence yet. There is a chance that this still makes a higher low and just keeps on pushing up. But the fact that it went so deep into this move and the fact that this little push up right here looks like three waves, if you actually take it down to a little bit of a sort of time frame, like the 15-minute or the 30-minute, this actually looks like one impulsive up, corrective down, and then impulsive up again, kind of like a WXY type thing to the 61%. So it does look like there is a pretty good chance that we may go down and break structure, but we have to be careful with these counter trend moves. The trend is technically up based on the 4 hour time frame structure. The fact that the daily trend is down is what makes me think that maybe this really is going to go down and give us a break of structure, along with the fact that this looks like a corrective pattern to me. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.